In a high-stakes legal showdown, U.S. lawyers presented their case before the UK High Court, advocating for the extradition of Julian Assange to face espionage charges in the United States. They contended that Assange's actions transcended journalism, asserting that he endangered innocent lives by soliciting, stealing, and indiscriminately publishing classified U.S. government documents. The hearing, which unfolded over 2 days, saw Assange's defense team making a final attempt to halt his extradition from the UK to the US. Assange's lawyers appealed to the High Court for a new hearing, marking the culmination of a protracted legal battle that has seen him confined in a British high-security prison for the past 5 years. The 52-year-old Australian, founder of WikiLeaks, stands indicted on 17 counts of espionage and 1 count of computer misuse for his role in the publication of classified U.S. documents nearly 15 years ago. U.S. prosecutors allege that Assange aided U.S. Army intelligence analyst Chelsea Manning in stealing diplomatic cables and military files, putting lives at risk. During the proceedings, lawyer Claire Dobbin emphasized the severity of Assange's actions, contending that he posed a grave and imminent risk to U.S. security and intelligence services. Dobbin asserted that Assange's encouragement of theft and hacking went beyond the bounds of journalistic inquiry, ultimately benefiting WikiLeaks at the expense of national security. Assange supporters, however, maintain that he is a crusading journalist who exposed U.S. military misconduct in Iraq and Afghanistan. They argue that the charges against him are politically motivated and raise concerns about his prospects for a fair trial in the U.S. The legal wrangling over Assange's fate has drawn international attention, with supporters rallying outside the High Court to demand his release. As the court deliberates, Assange's health has become a focal point, with concerns raised about his physical and mental well-being after years of legal battles and confinement. The outcome of the hearing remains uncertain, with a decision expected in March at the earliest. Regardless of the court's ruling, the case is likely to reverberate beyond the confines of the courtroom, underscoring the complex intersection of press freedom, national security, and individual rights in the digital age.